Yo, it's been about 20 minutes now and still haven't received the first order yet. So is it gonna be a slow day? 30 minutes in now and still nothing. 40 minutes, still nothing. I even restarted my phone and the apps. So you're telling me that this whole first hour is gonna be a waste of time because it's getting close. Man, I could have slept in. 1 hour down and we've made $0.00. I mean, at this point, I guess I am taking this order. This is a Starbucks, $7 going 6.5 miles. Yeah, unless something crazy happens, I don't see myself making any more than like $50 today. I mean, this is pretty crazy, but I don't think it's in a good way. Got the first order from DoorDash after an hour and a half. This is on Earn by Time. Current rate, $17 an hour. This one's going across the river, 10 miles. And of course it's a Wendy's. All signs point to this being trash, so hopefully it's crazy in a good way.
Hi, Officer Wendy. What can I have for you?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I thought today was Saturday for some reason, but nope, it's Friday. People are all on their way to work, so there's traffic. Lucky me. Total for that order was $12. Not worth it at all. Next up is a McDonald's, $6 going about 2 miles.
Beef yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Going into the second hour, and we're about 1 hour behind pace. Got a stack going to the same person. We've got Jack in the Box and Black Rock Coffee, $9 going 2 miles.
Have a good day.
You too.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Looks like you expected to.
Says, please do not knock. It will scare dog. You got it. That's the top floor. Got this next order right away. This is Chick-fil-A going 9 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $9. Not worth it at all. Okay, if I don't get an order in the next 15 minutes, I'm just gonna call it because this is getting a little ridiculous. All right, this is just useless. Let's go home. Current time is 8:39. Current total is 37 and just waiting on one Uber tip. So I'll throw up the total whenever that comes in. This is gonna be a really, really short video. So enjoy the kitty clips free of charge. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.